Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. Are you looking for a property that sits on a full plot within the East Legon enclave? Then this unit is more than ideal for you. It is a fully furnished 4-bedroom house, complete with a 10 kVA backup solar system and a beautiful landscaped garden, a long driveway, and a spacious backyard. It also has a security post, 2 water storage tanks, air conditions in all rooms, and the asking price of this unit is $450,000. The size of the home is about 260 square meters. The land is duly registered and the size of the plot is 0.21 acres, which is about 1.5 plots. Now let's go around the house as we are looking at the backyard. Let's check around and then see how tastefully the interior has been designed. To schedule for viewing of this home, do give us a call on 055-049-6399 or 0244-588-885. This home was built in 2020 and is truly a masterpiece. Now let's get inside and check the interior. The house is being sold as is, fully furnished, with everything inclusive. All you need are your clothes to fill up the space. It has 1 bedroom downstairs and then 3 bedrooms at the top. All the bedrooms have their full bathrooms. It has 2 living areas and, as we saw, a fully fitted kitchen with appliances. asking price of this unit is 450,000 and is very negotiable.